Yo, what's up, man? We out here. We out here riding. Let's get some clips. See how today's gonna turn out. A little windy, but see what happens. Got the legs, steady your feet. Yeah. This part. There you go. I'm up here with my boy Mark.
Yep.
About to do some riding. I want to see you do a 360 over the box.
About 3 turn down.
3 turn down? Alright, let's get this 3 turn down over the box. We're gonna get this 3 turn down over the box. The 3 turn down look good.
Let's ante it up.
Alright. Alright guys, it's my turn. I want to try doing something. What should I do? What should I do?
Fall on your face, motherfucker.
Fall on my face? No.
Hey, get some candy.
Alright, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna do something.
He's got it. What's Chris gonna do? I'm on the bike. It's your favorite rider out there, Mucky Muck. Let's see what he's got. Ooh, tail tap. 180 fakie no! Oh no, Chris! Chris! You alright, nigga?
I'm good.
Do you need an ambulance?
No.
Okay. Let's get it. Let's get it! I took a little screenshot while I was doing it. Ooh, foot down. Doesn't count. Redo. Mulligan. Look at that booty. Hobbit. This is it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that stamina. Look at that stability, man. He landed right on his feet. Look at this guy. He's got this. He's got it this time. Squad line. Oh, fail! Here it is. Attempt number 2. He already back on me. Thing gonna do messed up. This is what's going on right here. Right here. Special surprise for you guys. Christopher St. Pierre.
Alright guys. 360 the box. Double tire. The fakie.
Christopher. We'll bleep that out later.
Alright, we're out here riding. Got a few clips in.
I'm gonna do something special for you.
Get the sun out there. Nice little sunset.
You ready for this?
It's not
Chris?
down yet.
You ready for this one?
Alright, what are you doing?
You'll see.
He's gonna show me. He said see. I'll see. Let's see what he's gonna do, guys. Let's see what he's gonna do.
Chris, come on, come on, I gotta show him how to move.
Alright, we gotta help this kid. Let's help this kid.
Alright, I don't have it, but you need an Allen wrench for it.
Okay.
Okay? You need an Allen wrench just to get that bolt out, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
We tried to help him. We tried to help him.
Alright, you
Gotta
guys
get
ready?
his try to get his
You
kickstand
guys
off.
ready? I'm ready. I'm a little frightened.
Get the bike. Nice stead.
After this Pandora commercial.
Ooh. Me and Mark out here getting some clips. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey.
Alright, he said right over here. Right over here. This box. All right, he said a rail grind.
Very fakey, but I mean, watch out, buddy.
Woo, little techie, fakey challenge. Oh! Put the foot down. You put the foot down.
Mulligan.
Put the foot down, man. Uh-oh. Is this it? That's it. Yeah. A little slippery. I'm gonna try that again.
Oh.
That was a close one. Yeah. Oh, pimp down. Pimp down. He's down. He's good though. We get right back up. We're good like that. We don't let nothing stop us. There we go. Here we go. Oh, too much juice. Too much juice.
I mean, sorry.
Too much juice.
Can't do it.
Alright, this old man here, he's pooped out.
It's a little button for him.
For somebody to take pictures. It's on record right now.
You can't fall off, right?
No, shit. It's on there.
Even if you go sideways. Whee!
It's recorded right now, buddy.
Yo, good. What's up, world? Alright, Chris, come on. Hey, check this out. Hey, do it up.
Alright, you ready? I'll do something with it. Do it.
I don't know how to switch it. How do you? Oh,
I gotta stop it. Alright. We had a good session out here. We're done riding. It's time to go back. Gotta edit these videos. So many to go through.
3 more days.
We're riding again. Hopefully tomorrow.
Rock City,
Pretty bumpy. Hey guys, I'd like to apologize about the last clip. It was a little windy today, but I'd like to say thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and please leave a comment to let me know what you guys think. Anything that I can do better, anything like ideas of doing stuff, just let me know. Thank you.